Good morning, everyone. We're at the Lapidus Clinic. Nurse Rita here. Have my patient, and this morning we're doing AnteAGE Hair Restoration. So her concern was her hair was thinning out, so we're doing this treatment. This will be her third treatment, and we're seeing good results. So we're going to do part microneedling with these AnteAGE peptide stem cells, and then she will go home and continue with her peptide treatment on a daily basis, just massaging it into the scalp. So we're seeing really good results with this, and if you have any questions, you can come in and talk to me about it. You could tell your kids, oh, my scalp is famous.
I know.